Come with us around the globe and explore the animal world and its jungle animals and desert creatures. We'll meet wildlife on the savannah and see our underwater friends. Animals from the Arctic Circle. Anywhere, everywhere animals live. It's always an adventure.
Thanks for watching KCPO Sioux Falls.
Welcome to Animal Atlas. Come with us around the globe and explore the animal world and its jungle animals and desert creatures. We'll meet wildlife on the savannah and see our underwater friends. And animals from the Arctic Circle. Anywhere, everywhere animals live. It's always an adventure. Today on Animal Atlas, we're spreading our wings, taking to the air, and alighting from right out of the sky with some amazing winged animals who seem to have taken their colors straight from the crest of a rainbow. In the animal kingdom, coat and skin color is often subdued for the sake of camouflage. Though fur can be patterned with spots, or rosettes, or something even more dramatic. Skin can be practical gray, or decorative green, or even forget-me-not blue. Yes, though gunmetal gray is a great cool watercolor, the warmer water of the coral reef explodes with color. There's colorful fish and radiant coral and many other interesting creatures of a variety of hues. But it just might be some special winged creatures, specifically butterflies, and certain rainforest birds who rival even flowers for their bright colors. What do these birds and butterflies have in common besides dazzling tint? For starters, wings, and the remarkable ability to fly. First, let's meet the butterflies. Though they may seem like exotic creatures in a class of their own, butterflies are insects. Just like those ants crawling around the base of a butterfly feeder. Yes, butterflies are insects, just like beetles. And cockroaches, too. It's probably those glorious wings that distract us from their true identity. But if we look closer, we can see that butterflies have what other insects do. 3 body parts, specifically a head, thorax, and an abdomen,